A historically dry season has resulted in severe water stress for crops across most parts of the country. The 2024 harvest is expected to be very poor and impact household food access through the post-harvest period, along with high food prices and limited access to income-earning opportunities, leading to crisis outcomes in typical deficit-producing areas in Zimbabwe. Thousands of rural Zimbabweans are suffering from the effect of the imminent El Nino-induced drought, are seeing a ray of hope after World Food Programme distributes food aid in Mangwe, Matabeleland South region. 75-year-old Gogo Philomena Ncube walks towards her home with a smiley face after carrying a package of food that she and other villagers had shared. As soon as she takes off the sack off her head, Gogo Ncube breathed a sigh of relief, saying that at least she and her 2 grandchildren have something to eat.
Ungathola kumbe 100 rand kumbe 50 uyathenga impuphu. Usually vele sabe sidla impuphu.
Ubani wakunika yo 100 rand?
Mbe nalo nina womntwana sometimes. Kodwa vele not usual. Mina ngangile impuphu mbijana, ngathenga isikhude la 100 rand. Ngiyathola imali yokuthenga ukudla.
What about isishebo?
Isishebo siyacheba ngembida nje. Emasimini isimu yonale nje uyibona. Yamela ukhaya insimu bone nje ukuthi vela kula lutho. Asanga sathola lutho even idelele ivinini. Phila ngikuwaya waya nje yabo. Le isikhathazile kakhulu ukudla sithola okokubhoda nje sidinga. Mina ngabe lamaqhuda amabili ngathengisela ilodwa ngihambe ethenga impuphu. Iyo nje sincedayo. Lokho nokudla abasinika khona basinceda kakhulu sibi kakhulu. Ngoba mina nje vele isikhathi esiningi ngipheka kanye ngelanga. Singadle kuseni sisidla isithwala sesipheka izolo. Sizapheka futhi intambama. Sisidla.
So wena uthi wena uyahlala nowasukulwana bakho. Abantwana bangaki?
Onina. Obunina walo usebutswana. No, usebutswana. Bata kula mali ngakunika 100 impuphu. Yiyo yabo zama ukuthi uthenge ngayo impuphu. Uqala yayingconywana kathesi hayi 100 bula uthenga into phela. Hayi ngitsho. Impuphu iyadura. Esitolo kuyadura sibili. Kuqala nxa ngangile 50 rand ngangihamba ngiyethenga impuphu, ngithengele sitshebo. Kathesi kawukwanisi ngifika ngithenga ichukela kuphela, ingela amahlamvu, ingelani nge50 rand. Yabona. Yikho nje kungani sokungani nabona ukuthi kuyandlambisa. Ngoba nxa ngani le 100 rand angikwanisa ukuthenga impuphu yami, ngithengele isitshebo sami, ngithengele flour. Kodwa kade singitsho. So thina kumbe itiye kunje siyanathi dry njalo. Ingela lutho. Sinkwa asisiboni. Inyama ngaba yi-once sometimes.
So sifuna usitshela ama-challenges wafesayo lo mntwana oyihamba esikolweni.
Lo mntwana esikole ngenza ugrade 3. Yiyo nje into enye ngani iyahlupha. Hayi uninayo kakula lutho. Uthi la inxa engani uyakorokoroba khona kwakulethayo kuncane kakhulu akusikwanisa. Akusikwanisa. Mina ngangikwaniswa yikulima. Nxa ndibile ngandithola zona ama-5 bags kumbe 6. Ngikwazi ukuthi hayi azangiqhuba ngathola okunye okuncane eceleni ngiyahlanganisa la mabele la. Manje kathesi thina mna lokubonga kakhulu ugovernment wasinceda. Ngoba wona lo mgodla ngiyakwazi ukuthi kuyangiqhuba up to phosinyanga. Ngabe ngikambija nathi. Sisiphekela ngebhodi encane. Hayi indlala ikhona sibili. Angifuni ukukhuluma amanga siyalamba. Ngoba kasisadli khona ke sasivele sikudla. Susidla mbijana. Ukuthi ilanga lidlule. Ungabona njalo imputshana nakho ningani incane susenza iporridge. Yikho kungani kuyanceda. Like last night nje mina ngani lokumama bedlanyana okuncane ngagika khona ngayenza iporridge. Salala sidle khona kuyaba right. Hayi indlala ikhona mpela.
Lilala lidle polish kuphela.
Ante mina sabe sidlila isithwala. Sabe sidlila isithwala mbo uthola kuyi-R10 wathenga ungama chance. Sucheba ngakho. Emini ungadla ntambama sibona ukuthi ngadla nje. Hayi indlala ikhona mpela angifuni ukutshela amanga emakhaya khona apha siyalamba. Kasisuthi. Siyalamba. Ukuthi ngabe kulomuntu oqhatsha umfana wami lo uze sibe sithola ukudla. Yiko kungasinceda ngoba ngaphandle kwaloko phela akulalutho esingaluthola. Akulalutho esizaludla. Asila madonki, asila nkomo. Idonki inye kuphela aseke siyithengise ngoba iyevele inxe izasinceda nxa kungaba izulu linethe sicela abanye abantu basilimele ngakho. Kodwa akula. Ngaphandle ukuthi ngithola umsebenzi kuphela. Yiko kungamphilisa. Ngoba yiko amapholisa amajoni yabona. Kusengamakhiwe rotation.
Okay.
So ngihamba zindawo zonke ngakahlala eChakari police yabo. Is under Dalman Chakari under Chegutu. Ngabe ahlala eGweru. Hlala phela isikhathi eside old camp. Yiko hada kagarana mashona kweshini.
So abakuninganga pension.
Kudala babengani yayinikwa yona leyo lump sum ka1 hle kube yikho. Ngiphekela khona. Inamba yami nazo uzakhangela inamba enale ekufilo mina Ncube anti. Iyo zayithatha.
World Food Program Representative and Country Director Francesca Edelman said the situation in Zimbabwe is very critical.
Distributions that we're doing now are related to last year's harvest. So what we do need to do now is do advocacy. Our stocks are running out. Today, this distribution is the last one that will take place in this community. So by the end of March, we will have completed all the stocks that WFP has mobilized. We are in the process, of course, of making people aware of the situation in Zimbabwe. It's very important that we have data, not only the experience from going around the country and being able to see what is going on. We have to add data. So the second crop and livestock assessment is really critical. And then we have just started today the preparations with the Food and Nutrition Council for the next rural livelihood assessment round, which will take place in April, so that hopefully we will know by May. We have a better understanding of realistically what the production has been like and how many people across the country may be running out of food sometime between now and the next agricultural season. In areas that is not seasonal, that happens on a monthly basis. Unfortunately, part of the dwindling resources has meant that we have to prioritize, and so the cash assistance that we provide in urban areas has reduced quite substantially. If you go 2 years back, we were providing support to 326,000 people in urban areas, and right now we are just over 30,000. So we are trying our best to maintain the resource base for those communities, but yes, we are worried that the current El Nino situation may also impact the market, and it may impact the purchasing power of the people in urban areas, so we definitely need to keep an eye out for them too.
Another villager, Aaron Mangwa, said this year's drought is similar to the 1947 which was very scary.
Aaron Mhanga amabizo amayi-2 yikho indlela ka-47 yayichisa sibili kakhulu ngoba sasisidla izikhumba zazihwaya sisidla. Manje ifana laye lindlala inzima ngoba ilanga liyachisa kakhulu, so zinyazi ukuthi sizaswela izifuyo amanzi azaphela. Yikho embona ngakho ngoba ilanga lakho liyasichisa sibe okubuhlungu kakhulu. Njalo uhlelo lwabalulethileyo mbona ngani bayasincedisa kakhulu ngoba basihlengile kwezinye indlela. Kathese siyaphila kungasikho lokho bengasiwa basihlengayo ngase sifile, kodwa basihlengile sibili siyababonga kakhulu into abayenzileyo.
This is Yabuda TV, Hakudima CV, Sly Media TV, and this sport and dream street in the zone and up news in Daka wonder name of views. Sly Media TV, man, they change my dreams. Sly, yeah, Sly Media. Sly, yeah, Sly Media. Sly, yeah, Sly Media. Sly, yeah, Sly Media. Kuchinja vision, yeah, my ghetto youth. Kuchinja life, yeah, my ghetto youth. Kutipa nzira sema ghetto youth, kutipa gwarara mangwana rakanaka. Sly, yeah, Sly Media.